14-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi is all set to make his IPL debut. Yes, Rajasthan Royals are taking on Lucknow Super Giants on Saturday evening, and since Captain Sanju Samson is not available because he hasn't recovered from the side strain that he endured against Delhi Capitals in their previous fixture, so his absence makes way for Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who became the youngest player to grab an IPL contract last year in Jeddah. Well, ever since Vaibhav Suryavanshi has landed in this IPL circle, he has already been a sensation. Speaking about his signing in the mega auction, he was picked up by Rajasthan Royals for rupees 1.1 crore during the mega auction. And as I said, with that, he became the youngest player to get an IPL contract. And even RR head coach Rahul Dravid had spoken highly of him. Now, if we speak about Vaibhav Suryavanshi's first-class career, it just began a year ago in 2024 January. He made his first-class debut, his Ranji Trophy debut for Bihar, and that game was against Mumbai, where Ajinkya Rahane was the captain, and that game held in Patna. And after that, Vaibhav Suryavanshi went on to play 5 first-class games, 6 List A matches, and a T20 match, scoring 245 runs altogether. Now, going ahead, Vaibhav already became a sensation. You know, he garnered the limelight. People started knowing him. The selectors had their eyes on him, and then he was also become a part of Indian team in the Under-19 Asia Cup 2024. Well, India had an unfortunate campaign because they lost to Bangladesh in the final, but that particular tournament was also about Vaibhav Suryavanshi, where he gained the limelight and became a big talk of the town, in fact, and then landed in the IPL mega auction where Rajasthan Royals picked him up. Now, if we speak about Vaibhav Suryavanshi's family background and his cricketing journey, it's kind of a roller coaster ride and also a great movie script, because what we have known that he had the passion for the game since his childhood. When he was 5 years old, his father Sanjeev started giving him training. The father even set up a net, a net for practice at home, and then he moved to Samastipur to join a training academy, and then he moved to Patna to continue his cricket training. And such has been Vaibhav Suryavanshi's cricketing journey so far. And now today, when he walks out to bat alongside Yashasvi Jaiswal against Lucknow Super Giants, he will be the youngest player to play in the IPL and will break the record of Prayas Ray Burman, who owned the record back in 2019 playing for RCB against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Well, that was the only game Prayas Ray Burman played and scored 19 runs, but record is record, and since then he had been the youngest player. But now Vaibhav Suryavanshi is all set to alter the record books. It will be interesting to watch Vaibhav Suryavanshi bat against some big bowlers of Lucknow, and how will it be? Do let us know in the comment section, and also let us know that how excited are you to watch Vaibhav Suryavanshi play in the IPL.